that door right here. This one. We're about to tie it to a rope and attach it to the car. And the car is going to start driving when somebody's on the door. So everything is 100% safe. Don't do this at home. And thank you. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, it's all cool though.
Warning. The video may contain yada 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 yada. Man, y'all get the gist. We are stuck right now in this fucking car. Stuffed in this. We have a fucking car door right here. Literally a car door.
We're going sledding.
We're going sledding, y'all. Ain't that right, Zeta?
Go sledding.
This is all his plan. He said, yep. We're gonna get this car door in here and it's going down. Let's see what happens. We're just chilling.
I'm excited.
Right. It's kind of dark in here right now in the car. We're trying to lay low. Right, as low as possible.
You're about to get dragged.
On the fucking door.
You're getting dragged as fuck.
Who? I ain't going first on the door. That's all.
I'm going first. I'm going first on the door. Somebody take me to the wheel.
We'll see. We're gonna see that.
Somebody
I
take
have
the
a feeling
wheel.
you're gonna fly the fuck up.
Here, go in that parking lot. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be in this parking lot only.
What? Is this like a lounge?
Yeah,
No.
we can.
What do you mean?
Listen.
I don't know if that's
Look
how
at
that works.
And then we can go on the main street, yo.
On the main street. On a main street?
That's right
Yeah,
here.
let's go sledding on
We're gonna go to O Street.
Whose
No,
door's
hold on.
open,
yeah.
sir?
That was my idea.
Oh shit. Cause
Shit, we did that on O Street, bro. Drifting in that bitch. You know Joey.
oh my god.
What's up, guys? So I'm gonna give you an idea of what we're about to do today. We're about to obviously safety first. So we're just getting ready. We got gloves. We got everything. We got kneecaps under this. We're about to start. Get this door right here. Get that door right here. This one. We're about to tie it to a rope and attach it to the car. And the car is going to start driving when somebody's on the door. So everything is 100% safe. Don't do this at home. And thank you. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Fuck you if you don't subscribe. It's all cool though.
It's all cool. Subscribe to Taterean TV. Oh yeah, and we got a fucking tire.
Had to bring him.
I don't know how this tire shit gonna work.
Ow! That hit me in the fucking face! What if that hits me in the face and you let go of it? I never knew we were gonna fall fucking into each other. If that hits me in the face, I'm gonna die. I'll bail out of you, bail out, babe.
Hey, Michael.
Wait, this
Don't
is
get too close.
too close.
I wouldn't get too close.
That's way too close. I feel like I got this. No. I don't. Do I have to fall off when you fall off? No, you don't have to, but I will.
Go slow here in the parking lot.
I might fall
Zato.
off this way.
Oh, never mind.
Hey, do I look good in the camera?
Dude, I'm on.
Hey.
No way, keep going. It's not going very slow. Hey! Change to the light. Oh, don't get too close, don't get too close. Oh shit.
Hell no, with dear life. Wait. Stop.
I see that shit coming.
You good?
This little kid lit.
He's getting drugged.
Man down.
Oh my god, yo.
I just don't want to get hit by their motherfucking door. I think you're good.
Oh shit. It's my motherfucking turn, y'all.
Okay, you got this.
Let's do this.
You got it. No more. Wait. Oh shit, he's like still on. Wait, hold up top. I can't see him. Hold it up top.
Oh shit.
Oh, there's oh shit. You lost that shit right off the bat. Okay.
What's up, Maurice?
Oh, you gotta put it up. It's too annoying. Sorry. I can't see him. Wow. Imagine listening to the woman. Hold on. Chris Rock.
Keep going, you're good. What the fuck?
Stay on! Oh my god! Go! I don't know why does it smell like fire? Hey!
Shit. Bro, my ass was a bug. I thought I seen a fucking ghost.
You thought you seen a ghost?
Shit. I started running for my life, bro. I haven't run this fast in my life.
You're good, Dano! Keep your legs up! Legs up! Crisscross! Legs up! Legs up! Listen! There you go! Okay! Get up! Do it! There's snuggle bugging in the back.
I watched a lot of Jackie Chan movies.
He said watch it on Jackie Chan. He was getting his ass fucked up the whole time. He was flipping and all types of shit.
That was like,
I was like over here fucking playing with that shit.
yo.
Oh
Yo.
that was fun. That was fun.
That looks fun. Can I just get an appreciation for the film crew? Like, can we really just appreciate this? We are doing this. You know what? Oh my fucking god. What you know about production? What you know about rolling down? Okay, you're fucking done. He's gonna see this. It's fine. Will. Okay, this guy's about to go fast. Are we hashtag ready? No. Are you hashtag? No.
Ready?
I'm a little thorough.
Let's go.
Now I'm at you about to step on your bitch ass. Full force on your fucking neck. You're dying. You're dying, buddy. Sexy, nigga. You lucky this camera ain't on me for real. Damn, look at my fucking leg. My pants is like a brick. Like this bitch don't even bend.
Ready, guys?
Yeah, we ready.
All right, go.
Hands cold as shit. Oh, this nigga Michael actually standing. How you gonna fall right away? Beam on that nigga. Wash up my stuff on that nigga. I'm about to put my dick on your head, nigga.
Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you please like and subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell.